how to replace Nissan Almera handbrake cable. Just, you see, it's hard to show you, but it's not easy to show you, but this is inside here, just like this. Turn it, and when you turn, this sits like this, just like that, and when you turn it this way, you can take this out. It's easy, nothing is keeping it. Just take both of them out, and then underneath the car, and there's every wire attached to the chassis, to the body, with 2 bolts. I think it's 8 or 10 mil. You can open it, and later on when I put those back, I will show you how to do it. This goes over here like this, just like that. There is also this bolt here, and this one here. You have to disconnect it. It's on the both sides. This one's here, and this one there. This one. If it's too tight or if it's too loose, there is a handbrake adjustment. You can adjust it. It's 10 mil. You can loosen this. Then when you put the wires back, everything is okay. Then you can adjust it the way you want, not too tight, not too loose. It's just, you have to lift handbrake and lift this up. You can see it. And here, as you see, I have loosened this. Just put that back into this hole, just like so. And when it's fully there, it's hard to, yeah, just like this. This one's back, as you see. Just put it, you turn it, came out, and put it back. And the other one also, when I change, I put the other one also here back. As I said, if it's, you can't put it back, you can adjust it there with 10 mil socket from the handbrake, so that this is loose enough. You can put the wire back. These bolts they are all 10 mil from up and down. Handbrake, this one is 10 mil. This one is 10 mil.